But if he doesn't play it...
My shield for Argus.
I got
Yeah.
There it is, GG.
Reporting for duty.
Yeah. Probably.
Yeah, that spiraled out of control really fast.
You just didn't roll into a heal box quick enough. That's mainly what it was.
It also shows how big of a swing card Murloc Knight is.
Yeah,
If you don't have an answer for it. If you don't have an answer for it, it's such a huge swing card.
Wisp.
It's in the air for you guys.
Dark Whispers, man. Why don't I have this card?
Probably because it ain't good.
Dark Whisper.
Oh, Louis.
Whisper, whisper, whisper.
Summon 5 Wisps.
Or get taunt.
Or get 5/5 and taunt.
Hmm.
Oh.
Look how big this call's getting right now.
I know. Wait,
Wisp
it's,
Master.
I see Pinex.
Someone just mentioned that Druid needs a Wisp Master. Like Quartermaster, but for Wisps.
Ah.
Hmm.
That's my head, isn't it? Really don't want to do that. See. Yeah, don't.
Uchiha, the best spell in the game is not, in fact, Dark Whispers, and I'll tell you why. The best spell in the game is a Druid spell, and it is not that.
I think Shadow fell asleep. Fell asleep on me. Oh.
It's this little spell called Astral Communion.
Oh no. Hell no.
What it does is when you play it for 4 mana, you gain 10 mana crystals, and you discard your entire hand.
No. Stop it, please.
So what you do is you Astral Communion, and then proceed on your next turn to top deck Astral Communion.
No, 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 no. After you ask your communion, you cross your fingers for a Deathwing.
No, after you Astral Communion, you cross your fingers for Jeeves.
Wait, Astral?
Astral Communion and Jeeves combo is so strong. I made a Astral Communion Druid deck that has like
Actually,
every
isn't
draw
Jeeves-
card available.
Isn't these 3 mana?
No, Jeeves is 4. That's why the combo doesn't really work that well. You have to have coin.
You're not allowed to challenge me with that deck. If you do, I'm declining it automatically.
Let me build this crap quick. I can't build it in full because Raven statue isn't out yet.
Oh, is that one of the cards you need for the deck?
Yeah, you need Raven statue because you need to have the search. It's basically search for Astral Communion.
That's what it basically does?
Well, no, what it is you can choose to discover a minion or discover a spell, but you always discover a spell because you always want to get Astral Communion in the first 4 turns. And if you have Astral Communion, you search for Innervate.
By the way, what wing do we get that 8-8 taunt?
Wing 4.
Okay, so final wing. That's cool.
Yeah.
I hate that Murlocs are getting support this time.
Yo, they're getting an OTK. That's
Yeah.
super strong.
Yeah, so 4 Murlocs that died this game.
Summon 7
7.
Murlocs.
7.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sweet.
everyone that Blizzard destroyed this card or nerfed it somehow.
It's 10 mana.
I mean,
They get like 20
down the
mana and then
line.
damage.
Savage Roar.
They'll nerf it like they did Patron. They'll just make old Murkai use X to give your Murlocs a charge plus 1 attack.
Give your Murlocs with charge +1 attack. What if it gave your Murlocs with charge +1 attack for Murlocs on the battlefield? Thoughts?
Okay, I know you
Murloc,
guys.
it would be give all Murlocs.
I know you and Seeker would not care about the spell, but the gold secret trial is really cool looking.
I don't even gold cards, man.
No, I'm just saying.
You know-
I know you guys wouldn't like it, but you remember the 2 axes in the card, like the 2 pendulums start swinging. Trial, like the pendulums. They're going back and forth, and then there's like a beam of light going through 4 of them.
So, wait a minute. Where's Jeeves? Okay, there's Jeeves. Oh wait, no, I want no mishes in this deck. I gotta find room for this crap. What is not necessary? Force of Nature Savage Roar is not necessary. I don't need to have turn 2 combo.
Hey Mari, I think you have to wake up Shadow. I think he's sleeping.
Is he sleeping?
I think he might actually be.
I guess he was really that tired then, huh? Then again, it wouldn't be the first time. That I'm so notorious for sleeping in my own streams. It's not even funny.
That's great.
Okay, who's gonna yell at Shadow? I'm not doing it because I know my brother's gonna yell at me, so one of you guys have to.
Whatever.
Shadow.
Mother.
That was bad. What else do I put in this deck? I don't even remember. I put Thorson in.
You guys are gonna make me. Hold on. Give me a second. Let's see.
Do you put Illidan Stormrage in this deck? I put Double Nourish in. I guess since I have Double Nourish.
One sec, guys. I'm actually calling a friend. He kind of passed out.
I don't even know if he has Defend on him.
I guess
mean,
Double
if you
Force of
hear-
Nature isn't necessary.
I suppose.
What's a good 7 mana legendary? Oh wait. And then we'll add Ysera to this deck because why
I
not?
like when you would put.
So, guys, how long is it gonna take until Shadow actually wakes up?
Probably 24. No!
No.
Maybe, probably 88 hours. It's okay, we're gonna reset till I get combo on turn 1.
Speed strats.
I'm gonna punish.
Yeah, that's speed strats, dude. Dude, you're gonna punish this combo really hard because I don't run DOTC in this build.
Yeah, Brown.
Kinda
Shadow's
do
kinda
some
passed
speed damage.
Okay, this isn't a terrible hand. I'd like to have Astral Communion. Nope. Never fucking lucky. I can draw into it, I guess. Did you just leper gnome me? Please draw Astral Communion. Never lucky. Baby
Always
rage.
okay.
Alright, let's do this.
out. Oh my god.
I fail. Welcome to the fun zone.
Yeah, he's not waking up. I just called his phone like 3 times.
Ebola shaman.
Oh my god, he's dead. He's dead.
So, hi Shadow Stream. We've
Hi, Shadow Stream. We've
taken
unlocked
over.
the powers.
We've kind of taken over this stream. I'm sorry.
Well, rip my 2-4.
Aw, I'm sorry.
Actually, I have a smart idea. It's gonna be disgusting, but I think it's gonna work if I could turn. No, it wouldn't because I don't think
You're
it's
gonna win. You're gonna win because I don't have Astral in hand.
I have this thing in hand right now, pal, dude. My
I don't want to hear it, dude. I don't have Astral in hand. This is really bad.
shadow.
Is it
please.
just your shadow snoring? I think he's snoring. Oh my god.
Alright. I would go into turn
Yeah.
5 with this, right? I don't even know why I'm running Wild Growth in this deck. Maybe that's what I need to cut.
It's gonna
Guys.
be fun.
Yeah, this'll work.
Shadow. Oh my
He's
god.
snoring.
Oh my god, I'm so done. This
Sorry.
is fucking hilarious.
Nice
I'm
lightning
sorry.
bolt.
Thank you.
You have like the God Hand, and I have literally nothing.
I'm like dying here. I'm sorry. This is
I've been
like-
drawing into stuff, dude.
I have literally nothing. Okay, we gotta take this out, so let's just do that.
Bitch. Got
Get a
me.
card cycle. I thought about nourishing there.
Shadow's just sleeping. Snoring.
Okay, I have no way to
Thank
clear
you.
this board without a swipe.
Yeah, I kind of muted the rest of the guys so that you guys can hear the game and stuff. Yes, I put you guys on mute on my stream because you're trying to pay attention. Oh my god, this story is real here. Oh my god.
Oh well.
That Doom Hammer, that hurts. Rock Biter weapon. Yo, that's not cool. We don't play around with cards like that.
Thanks for the host, Marina. Oh my
Hey, at least I
Laugh if
traded.
draw- I'm gonna laugh if I draw one of my 2 lava bursts right now.
You know what's gonna be even funnier? You won't kill with Lava Burst. And here's why. I run Healing Touch.
Oh my god.
And then the Tech Nourish. Yo! Okay, so I'm good.
I can't anymore.
I can't do this. Mari, please help.
What am I supposed to do?
Oh, do you have Lava Burst in hand?
I don't have enough mana for a long.
Oh, you have a Crackle.
I can't anymore. Shadow's like making me laugh,
Right.
man.
That hurts. I had double combo in hand.
Guys, I can't
That was really bad.
anymore.
Let's fucking do this again.
At least I'm not the only one laughing. Signs over here laughing too.
Yeah, I'm dying on the inside.
Oh my.
Welcome back to the realm of the living, Shadow.
Morning, Shadow. How's your night sleep?
Was I snoring?
Yeah,
Yeah.
really bad.
Cool.
Oh my god.